accommodation for the people in Uganda side. We build the accommodation in the right building, the post office.
Now it's sitting on the face.
Now, defense is one of the services. It's a service provided to the country by the army. But you find that this defense service is using equipment which is not made here, almost 100% in many of the African countries. In other words, we are consuming what we don't produce. So therefore, the modest steps we are taking here, not only in this factory, but there are some few other things around here and other places, are to solve that irrationality. Because that irrationality is very costly. You are talking of saving money. You are using helicopters, imported helicopters, which you don't make, which you don't even maintain and repair. This is very serious. So this is just a modest step to say, okay, you are not yet making the helicopters, but at least maintain them, service them. I think the servicing you do is somewhere, some servicing, some oil. That one, I always see you oiling. But maintaining, you are not doing. And repairing and overhauling.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.